Hello everyone. Let us move on to the 10th experiment, that is parallelogram law of vector addition. Aim of the experiment: to measure the weight of a given body using parallelogram law of vector addition. Then apparatus required to perform this experiment are given body, Gravesand's apparatus, thread, slotted weights, white paper and pencil. Principle of this experiment: when two forces act simultaneously at a point and they are represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the resultant force can be represented both in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through the point of application of those two forces. This is the principle of this experiment. Let us move on to the diagram part, and this is the experimental setup, which consists of Gravesand's apparatus, this wooden board, and the stands, those are called Gravesand's apparatus. And here P1, P2, these are two pulleys, and P and Q are the known weights, and here is the R, that means object whose weight need to be measured. Then P is the one vector, P is the force vector, and Q is also force vector. Using this parallelogram law of vector addition, we are going to find out the resultant vector. So this is the experimental setup. Then move on to the observation part. It consists of first one, weight of each hanger, that is in terms of kg weight, and second one is scale, that I will explain in the later part. And tabular column, it consists of force P, that means weight of the hanger plus slotted weights. Then force Q, weight of the hanger plus slotted weights. Then we need to find the length OC, and after that unknown weight, that means L into S. Let us move on to the experimental part. Here is the experimental setup, and this one is Gravesand's apparatus, and these two weights are known weights, and this one is some unknown weight. Here in this experiment, we are going to find out the unknown weight attached to this middle string. Then let us know how to perform this experiment. And main thing, while performing this experiment, these slotted weights should be in a rest position. Then we need to take the shadow of this thread. Let us mark this point, this point, this point, and this point. And this is vector P, and this one is vector Q, and this is the resultant of those two vectors. We are going to find out the weight of this hanger using parallelogram law of vector addition. Let us construct the parallelogram now. So here scale 1 centimeter is equal to 50 grams, that means 0.05 kg weight. While performing the experiment, I have attached 100 grams on either side of the thread. So that's why I am going to take 2 centimeter here. Using this compass, I am going to measure that length, 2 centimeter, and from this point O, I am going to draw an arc, and here also let us mark this point as P and this one as Q. And now we need to complete the parallelogram. Then we need to join this PS and QS. So if we plot that, we get parallelogram like this. Here OP and OQ are the known weights. So it is equal to 100 grams. That's why I have considered 2 centimeter OP, and OQ is also 2 centimeter. Then unknown weight we need to find out. That's why I'm going to measure this length OS, that is the diagonal of the parallelogram. So unknown weight is equal to L into S, that is 2 into 50 grams, that is equal to 100 grams or 0.1 kg weight. In the same way, we need to perform 2 more trials. So if we perform the same experiment using 150 grams weight, this is the parallelogram, and unknown weight is equal to L into S, 2 into 50, that is 100 gram or 0.1 kg weight. Let us write the observation part. Weight of each hanger is equal to 50 grams, that means 0.05 kg weight. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 0.05 kg weight. Let us write the tabular column. In the first trial, we have considered all these 3 forces are equal. P is 100 gram, Q is equal to 100 grams and R is also equal to 100 gram. Let us write it in the tabular column. So, in the first trial, force P is equal to 0.1 kg weight. Then force Q is equal to 0.1 kg weight, and length of the diagonal of the parallelogram is equal to 2 centimeter. Then unknown weight L into S, that means 2 into 0.05, that is equal to 0.1 kg weight. In the second trial, I have considered P is equal to 150 gram, Q is equal to 150 gram. So let us write it in the tabular column. P 0.15 kg weight and force Q, that is equal to 0.15 kg weight, and we have got the length as 2 centimeter. Then unknown weight L into S, that is equal to 2 into 0.05, that is 0.1 kg weight. And in the third trial, we have considered P is equal to 150 grams and Q is equal to 100 gram. Then let us write it in the tabular column. P, that is 0.15 kg weight, Q is equal to 0.1. Then length we got that as 2.1 centimeter. Then unknown weight is equal to 0.105 kg weight. So as you can observe in this tabular column, in the first trial, the weights were equal. But in the second trial, 2 weights were equal and 1 is different. And in the third trial, 3 weights were different. Then we need to find the mean value, that is 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.105 divided by 3, and that value is equal to 0.101 kg weight. Let us write it in the result section. Weight of the given body is found to be 0.101 kg weight.